If you've noticed yourself slowing down lately, needing more time to make decisions, feeling less urgency to move forward the way you once did, there's nothing wrong with you. This shift can feel unfamiliar, especially if you've always been someone who moved quickly, someone who trusted your ability to adapt, someone who relied on forward motion to regain stability. And now, instead of moving faster, your system is asking for something different, something slower. This can be easy to misinterpret. You may wonder if you're becoming avoidant, if you're losing momentum, if something in you isn't recovering the way it should. But slowing down after abuse is not a sign of avoidance. It is a sign that your nervous system is reorganizing itself around stability instead of survival. In environments where stability was unpredictable, your nervous system had to prioritize rapid adaptation. It had to monitor constantly, adjust quickly, and respond immediately to subtle shifts in emotional and psychological safety. This creates a state where internal timing becomes linked to protection. Moving quickly becomes associated with safety. Slowing down becomes unfamiliar, even uncomfortable. After leaving that environment, your nervous system begins to recognize that it no longer needs to maintain the same level of rapid adaptation, but it does not immediately return to its previous rhythm. Instead, it enters a transitional phase, one where it prioritizes internal stability before expanding outward again. This can naturally reduce urgency, not because your capacity is gone, but because your nervous system is recalibrating its sense of safe timing in ways designed to protect your long-term stability. Many people expect recovery to look like immediate forward motion. They expect themselves to resume the same decisional speed they once had, to move forward with the same urgency. But your nervous system is not designed to prioritize speed. It is designed to prioritize stability. And stability is established through consistency, not acceleration. Over time, many survivors begin to notice that their internal pacing begins to stabilize in ways that feel natural, reliable, and increasingly trustworthy again. Decisions that once required more time begin to feel clearer without pressure. Their nervous system gradually becomes more comfortable, allowing forward movement at a pace that feels safe instead of forced. This transition reflects the nervous system recognizing that stability is no longer temporary, allowing internal timing and forward momentum to return in ways that feel steady and sustainable. If you'd like structured support as your nervous system continues stabilizing its internal pacing and restoring confidence in its own timing, Power and Purpose Academy provides a paced environment specifically designed to help restore internal authority and nervous system stability in ways that are gradual and sustainable. You can explore that further using the link below whenever it feels appropriate for you. If you're not ready for that, you're welcome to stay here and move at your own pace. In the next video, we'll explore why clarity about what happened doesn't always immediately restore your sense of self, and why identity stabilization follows its own timeline. We'll pause here.